All right, good morning, class. So this is going to be an instructional video on how to create an account in a group in the website GivePulse, which is a required resource for your service learning project this semester. Basically, GivePulse is a website that connects people in the community to certain volunteer events and groups that are listed on this website. So it's going to be a great resource for you to connect to people in the community and have some help on your project, as well as help these service learning projects continue even after the classes are over. So it's going to be a really, really great resource. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to this website, www.givepulse.com, and this is what's going to come up if you don't have an account. If you do have an account, you can go ahead and click log in right here. That's great. And then if you don't, you can go ahead and click sign up right here. You can sign in with your Facebook if you want to, or you can sign up using your first name, last name, putting in your email, creating a password, clicking the terms and agreements below, and then clicking create an account. I do recommend using your University of Arkansas email because then it's going to go ahead and automatically affiliate you with the University of Arkansas group that's already on this website. So since I already have an account, I'm going to go down here and log in to show you what it looks like. So when you sign in, create an account, this is what's going to come up. So you see that it changed up to my name up here. So I'm going to click on it, and what we're going to go to today is my group, so I can show you what your page will look like. So this is my groups page. You can see that I am already affiliated with the University of Arkansas group that's on here. And then this is one that I'm actually an admin for. So that one will not be on yours. So it's just going to have this one right here if you used your UARK email. So in order to create a group for your project, you're going to go down here to this box and you see don't see your group. Creating groups in GivePulse is free. So what you're going to do is click create, and it's going to take you to the create a new group page. So the first thing is just basic info. You're going to put the name of the group, your group type, so whichever one fits best with your specific event. Most of ours are going to be nonprofit because this is a service learning project. Administrator is going to go ahead and be listed as you. You can put your phone, a tagline, if there's like a mission statement or anything that you created. You can put a brief description of your group and then an address for your group. And then you're going to go to the next part of it, which you can add a logo and you can add a cover image to make it look nice. You can click all of the causes that would relate to your specific group. So children and youth, disabled, whatever your specific thing is. Social, if you created any other websites, Facebook, Twitter, etc. for your group, you can go ahead and list those below and they'll be listed on your group page. Membership, this is where you manage your membership and your users. So you can go ahead and up here and click if you want them to be automatically approved or if you want to have to approve them to be members of the group. So that would be something to think about if you're going to need background checks, if they're working for children or anything like that. Require email, I would go ahead and click yes for this one, just because you're going to want to have the group members' emails and stuff just in case you need to contact them, right? So then down here, if there's anything specific you're going to need, like t-shirt size, if you're giving out free t-shirts, or like a parent and guardian information, phone number, whatever, you can go ahead and click that down here or create a new one as well so they can give you that information when they sign up. Impacts, I would leave this page the way that it is. This is just how members are going to log their hours for each of the events. So it's already set up the way it should be set up. So I would just leave that one the way it is. And then here you can go ahead and put search keywords for people if they're looking for events in the area and they want to look up certain things. If you put keywords for your event, this is how they'll do that as well. This is just page layout settings, so how it's going to look. Display your map. Display a few people you'll meet, so the users, whatever. You can change this if you are specific to how you want it to look. So yeah, that's how it's all going to be. And then you're going to go down here and click Save Group. I think it's going to say Publish Group if you have all of the important criteria. I'm going to go ahead and show you what a groups page looks like by going back and going into my group. So this is what it's going to look like. You've got a Manage button up here, and you'll have a notification if you have any, and then you have an Edit Group button as well. So if you just need to quickly edit it, you can go up there and do that. Your users will be listed below here, and then all of your events that you've created will be listed at the bottom here with the dates and how many people have signed up and all that jazz. And then you've got a map to show you where it is. It's quite cool if you go into it. So what I want you guys to do is just get really, really comfortable with this website. Go in, play around with it. Once you've created a group and created an account, it's pretty self-explanatory. If you have any further questions about anything, feel free to email me. I'm always here to help.